How to download free PDF reader for Windows PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can download free PDF reader on Windows PC. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So there are various free PDF readers that are available that you can download for free. So one of them is Adobe Acrobat. So you can download that in your device. In order to install Adobe Acrobat Reader, open up a browser and in the search bar, all you have to do is type in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Now from the search results, navigate to the first link, that is www.wps.com, that is Adobe Acrobat Reader. So from here, you can simply install Adobe Acrobat Reader in your device. In order to download this, click on this download button at the top right corner and wait for a while. After that, this WPS will be downloaded in your device. Open up this .exe file and then follow the on-screen instructions in order to set up this in your device, and this will help you read any PDF offline. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.